Hey guys, it's morning time and I'm getting hungry. I wanted to show you a super quick makes your skin stay young breakfast meal or snack with these Vans waffles with 10 grams of plant protein per waffle. Now these 10 grams of protein per waffles are non-GMO, which means clean ingredients. The heating instructions are on the back, pretty easy, and it's like making toast. The ingredients include cane sugar, unbleached wheat flour, steel-cut oats, millet and brown rice, and other plant ingredients. I'm starving, guys, so let's cut to the chase. So let's go ahead and put one waffle in the toaster. These are pretty thick. The waffle's done. Time to add my favorite healthy peanut butter. Smart balance. The creamy kind, of course, or whatever you wish. Almond butter, sun butter, whatever. I like to add a generous amount of peanut butter for extra plant protein. Look at that. So look at that, yum. So now it's time to sweeten it up with some vegan dark chocolate chips. Just sprinkle these guys generously on top of your waffle. Now since your chocolate chips are hard, you might want to soften them up. I nuke this guy for about 12 seconds. Take it out. Chocolate chips are softened. I got 100% pure maple syrup here. Pure maple syrup fights cancer, so no cancer here. Just gonna drizzle it and sweeten it up a little bit more. And there you have it. It looks like a normal old waffle, but it's not. It fights aging. It's full of protein and vitamins and nutrients. Plus the maple syrup fights cancer. So maybe you're starting to pick up on my videos, guys, and if you've been eating these products I've been making videos of, you too will eventually see a huge positive difference like I do in your skin. It all works from the inside out.